Adjusting to life as a full-time grandmother has been an adventure, full of love, laughter, and of course, a little extra energy to keep up. And let me tell you, my mornings are all about setting the tone for a great day. Now, I'm not a coffee drinker, but I do start my day with a full glass of water. Hydration is key, and my coldest tumbler with handle and straw is always by my bedside, making it easy to grab and go. Next, girl, gotta get the breath fresh. My go-to is the complete oral kit. This powerhouse includes a water flosser, floss drop serum, and replacement tips to keep my smile feeling clean and fresh. Shout out to Pure Smile for keeping my dental care in check. Then it's time for a little self-care. My skincare routine is simple but effective. A couple of times a week, every morning, I love using a niacinamide with salicylic acid serum. It hydrates, evens out my skin tone, and keeps those dark spots in check. You can find it on Amazon, and it's by Harmonify. And of course, I just add a little sunscreen. I go for the Tone Correction Korean sunscreen with SPF 50. No white cast, lightweight, and packed with niacinamide and panthenol for that extra hydration. Check out the Dominas Store on Amazon as well for this gem. Now, let's talk supplements. Staying healthy is a priority, so here's my daily lineup. Berberine supplement, 1,000 milligrams. This is by Art Naturals, and it's the thin berberine, great for weight management. I also take the 21st Century B12, 1,000 mcg. This is a must for energy and metabolism. And we cannot go without the Now Foods chlorophyll, a green superfood powerhouse. I also take turmeric curcumin with black pepper. This is by BioSchwartz, and it is great for my joint support. Y'all know running after that toddler gets me, honey, so I have to have this. And finally, 21st Century's calcium 600 plus D3 plus minerals. This helps to keep my bones strong. And all of these you'll be able to find on Amazon. I will go ahead and link for you down below my Amazon storefront, which will have these items readily available for you. Now this stuff makes my hands so soft, my skin so soft, and just overall softness. Love it. Alloderma. And y'all, I see my eyes are a little puffy, so I'm going to put on some eye patches. And I'm also going to nourish my skin with a sheet mask today. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Just like that, I'm ready to take on the day, whether it's running errands, creating content, or spending time with my little granddaughter. This routine keeps me feeling my best. Life as a full-time grandmother, it's a blessing, and I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. Hey, tell me what your morning routine is like. Let's chat in the comments. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you coming back time after time. I'll see you on the next video, beautiful babes. And remember, don't skip the description box. Everything I mentioned in this video is down there, ready to add to your cart. I'll see you soon. Bye now.